We are heading to BMW M's Christmas event. There's gonna be over 80 BMW M cars from all generations over there, and there's people from all around Malaysia are heading there today with their M cars. We are heading there and not parking my car. Oh, nice. That's a nice M3. It's gonna be a sick day because who doesn't love M cars? I mean, like, okay. Obviously, I can't park there. They're gonna kick me out because I don't have an M car. Maybe next year we will be there with an M car and we can actually park inside like real men. But for now, we will be parking outside and going in and enjoying the cars and enjoying the event. Dude, what are you doing? Come on, please.